Chickies. Hello, little chickies. Oh, you guys aren't even little no more. You're all big chickies. I see you've been moving your food dish around and stuff. Hello, birdie girls. Oh, you guys are all hungry. You need to get you some more food, huh? Yes, I'll fill that up in just a few moments, okay? Just a few moments. There's our 2 eggs. Thank you. I'll top off your food in just a moment. Good birdies, hungry birdies. Yes, we'll get you your foods. Thank you, birds. Thank you. Ah, lost my shoe. Hey. Stay in your coop. I'll go get you your food.